Hey bud, hey bud, hey bud. Oh, I'll give you your daily dose of crackhead.
So that you can fly away.
I want one.
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun.
Ride safe.
Always. I'll be back. I won't be out too long. Couple hours. Ty is the best. So today we are riding a 2019 MT07. It's like partially a track setup. So he's got the Evo frame sliders, GB Racing case covers. He's also got Lumoto rear sets, as well as a Akrapovic freaking full system. This thing barks, and you guys will hear it. If you guys were in my live the other day, you heard all of it. I was trying to wheelie this thing, and it was painfully. It was just painful. He's also got some steel braided brake lines. He's slowly converting this thing. This will be the second time I've ever rode one of these. Yesterday I rode it for the first time. And will be the second time. I don't know who that is, but he's got a dope car. Is it warm? High beams. That's my hazards? He has hazards? Impending danger. This is so weird. Hey little guy. Oh, this thing's sick. Wait, there's no way for me to check if my GoPro's rolling. I have no clue. I think so. I can't see it flashing. Oh, I don't have mirrors either. Cool. I think it's flashing. Let's go up to like a mirror or something. I can't tell. Oh, you can see how fast I'm going. Crap. How's everybody doing? Oh, it's Corona time. Corona time.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes. Corona time.
Ma'am, your receipt.
You don't like Corona, apparently.
Dude, I love this thing! It's literally been a minute! I feel like I'm riding a bigger dirt bike. I'm sitting upright more. My back's not dead. I don't feel 60 years old. I don't want to go fast. I kind of just want to cruise, man. I'm good. I just turned it off and back on. Oh, wait, this is a stop sign. I'm just here for the ride! Social distancing! Hey, look at my wrist, look at me. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh my god. You guys hear that? Whoa! That was for Tommy. That tasted like straight bang, dude. I'll give you your daily dose of crackhead. Who needs some energy? I'm giving out energy. I never run out. Actually, I do. You guys think I'm hyped this? Like, you guys think I'm always this hyped? I can't talk. You guys know this. I do run out of energy eventually. Like, I won't sleep for like, well, I mean, I'll sleep, but like, I'll be running off of like 2 hours of sleep, and it's terrible. Dude, the girl in front of me is probably like, what is this kid doing? Look at me. Stop looking at the freaking, it's a barn, we get it. You didn't look at me. You didn't give me your respect. I just wanted a wave. That's it. I'm just chilling. If you don't know what this is, then I'm sorry. Oh, I love it! Horsey! Run, buddy, run! That's so wicked! Oh my gosh!
Bruh.
Oh my god!
To the end, we can be friends. Grab my hand.
You guys better be hype. This guy's smiling. Yeah, you know what it is, dude. Can I get a fist bump? Let me get a fist bump. Yeah, my dude. Have a good day.
Grab my hand. We can fly away. We can fly away. To the end. We can be friends. Grab my hand.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm not gonna go by you. Go ahead. I'm respectful. There's a big ass tractor with wheels that are poking outwards.
We can fly away. She's off the Percocets, but she needs some reset. She says she loves me, but she needs some patience. I'm off a lot of lean, I don't think I'll make it.
Woo! Let's go! I gave him a high five! Look backwards! Dude, Ty, I love your bike, man! I'm comfortable. My butt don't hurt, my back don't hurt, my neck doesn't hurt. I'm having a great time! We're gonna start a new thing of just screaming at random people randomly. No reason, just scream. Get it out. Get all those pent up emotions out. Just scream, man. Just scream. You don't need a reason, just scream. Screaming ain't illegal. It'll get hot. Oh yeah, the sun! Yeah, baby! Woo! Hype Motovlogger, coming through. I talk to myself. I crack myself up. I don't need anyone else to make me laugh. I just need to make myself laugh. There's a hat there. I don't want it. That thing's dirty. It's got Corona all over it. It's just weird. It's like, it's a 700. My bike's a 600, but the power is all down low.
To the end, we can be friends. Grab my hand. We can fly away.
It's like, it has no top end. It's so weird. You got this.
We can fly away. Till the end, we can be friends. Grab my hand. We can fly away.
Okay, kid. I gotta bring it back up. It won't come back up. On my bike, I can have it come down, and then I'll bring it right back up and switch gears. I'm like, nope, not today. I wonder if you can knee knock. Wait, you can definitely knee knock this thing. Oh yeah.
We can fly away.
Oh yeah. We can knee knock this thing. It's a dirt bike. Oh, I'm having the time of my life. Realistically, that's every time I own a bike. Hey bud. Hey bud. Hey bud. That was probably some 60-year-old man. Like, why is this kid waving at me so hard? Oh, good shit. What? English, Cam? I meant to say, well, would you look at that? But my words just twisted, and I don't do English very often. That kid had the biggest freaking smile on his face. I don't even want to take this thing on the highway, really. So I actually like that, because honestly, guys, I don't want to go fast, crazy fast all the time. I actually want to move my riding to the track. It's the fact that I almost died, like last Wednesday. Not Wednesday that just passed. Well, I don't know, man. I almost died. Then I almost crashed 2 days later on my birthday. Oh my gosh. And then following that, I had a dear friend pass away on a bike. So I hate to say it, but like, I really don't want to ride my 600 that much on the street. Now, as of right now, I'm kind of conformed. I'm conformed to doing my content on the street bike, which is okay. I struggle with not twisting the throttle on the street. I struggle. Realistically, I want to move my track bike to the track. My street bike to the track, and then get another bike to ride on the street, which would be a supermoto or this. So you guys let me know what you think I should do. Dude, this is the longest freaking light ever. Ty, I love this thing. I gave him the keys to my car. Just keep it, man. Keep my car, we'll be straight. I just want this. I don't need a car. I'll Uber to work when it's raining. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. That was neutral. Oh, I don't have a mirror to look back. We'll just look back. We look back. Yeah, he gave me the head nod, dude. It's okay, dude. If you're a Harley rider and you don't, oh my gosh, you heard that? If you're a Harley rider and you don't want to give me the freaking drop down sign, just nod your head, dude. I know you guys are, you guys are too cool for the peace sign, I guess. I guess that's, I get bored and I just want to da 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 da. It's like music to my ears. If I lost my hearing, I'd probably cry. And then I cry harder because I can't even hear myself cry. Think about that. Guys, I'm wearing my merch right now, but if you haven't checked out, go in the description and check out my merch, guys. It's so dope.
Grab my hand, we can fly away.
It's right now because the whole Corona thing is we can't ship out the item. The business I am going through, we can't ship them, but you can still place your orders. And as soon as we can ship them out, we will. It says a disclaimer basically. It's just telling you like, hey, like the order's gonna take a little bit longer to get to you. But you can still order, baby. And that's just the first drop. I'll be doing so many more drops. I got mad ideas and you guys are gonna be so comfy in them. Just wait till you get them. You guys are gonna be like, holy crap. Quality over quantity, guys. Quality over quantity. That's why I only drop freaking one video a week. I put love and care into my videos. Like, we'll get to the point where I'm dropping every other day, but I gotta quit my job before I do that. I gotta be full-time content creator and influencer and motivator and inspirer. That's a word. Yeah, it's a word as of now. And also, you guys always wonder about what songs I use. If you are looking for my EDM or dubstep music, I put it in my description, guys. I have a link on Spotify and I have my own playlist in there. Check it out. It's very dope. Like 140 people are already listening to it. From what I've heard is y'all are smashing your heads against the wall to this, so I'm with it. I want you guys to be hyped. So you got to be listening to my playlist before you even watch my video. So if I go on and I premiere my video and we're on that chat and we're getting hype and we're screening random stuff, you got to put the playlist on. It just goes together. Tyler's the best for letting me use this. You hear that? You guys hear that? Red Bull. It gives you wings. Clearly it doesn't because it's on the freaking ground. Dude, I love this thing. Dude, okay, I want one. I'm going to use one of these mirrors off of these cars. It's weird. Oh, I can't see it. Oh. Okay, we still got battery.